Hey everyone, so today is day 21. This will be the last day of our 2 weeks of techniques Encore, and I'm going to do a Dutch pour for you. So instead of just mixing my paint with water, I've had 5 jugs of this sitting here and I thought I would try it. This is Creative Inspirations Polymer Gloss Medium and Varnish. So I did mix it with these paints. And of course I added water because we need the paint thinner. So it did mix up quite well, and we'll see how it works. Not sure if we'll get cells from it, but we'll try it. So I'm going to go ahead and put some white down. Whoops. I was going to put it in a squeeze bottle, which I probably should have. And I'm just going to move that around a little bit with a spatula. Just to move it there. Because when we blow it, it's all going to move anyway, and we can touch up our sides. It does make your paint smell a little different. It's probably the varnish. And I am fighting allergies today, so my voice is very rough today. My son was just out here and he's got the same thing, so I'm assuming the pollen is kicking his butt too. So I'm using Soho Dioxazine Violet. And I did mix that with the colors and I added water as well. And this is Premier Purple Red. And then this one is Master's Touch Purple Red. Look at the difference in color. And then we're going to add some gold. And this is Master's Touch Gold. No silicone. Alright, so now we're going to go around it with the white. And now I'm going to use the hairdryer, just giving you a warning. We're going to push this white over and then push the color out. I'm kind of liking it right there, and I don't want to touch it. Just want to touch these few splatter marks. Let me give it a torch and see what we get. Now I'm hoping, because I used the polymer medium varnish with the white paint and with the colors, that we won't get any cracking. Because 9 times out of 10, if you're just using paint and water and you're not using a very high quality paint, you will get some cracking. So there it is, guys. I'm going to leave it just like that. So that is our Dutch pour, aka hairdryer push. So there it is. If you haven't subscribed yet, click below. Click on the bell and you'll get notifications when we upload videos. Click like and share. Please leave a comment. Join us on Facebook. Join our group, the Parage Posse. Also check out my art page, Christina Welch Art. And if you're looking for supplies, check out our Amazon shop. We have all the paint pouring supplies that you need, including this hairdryer. And our torch and our trays, everything's there. Etsy, if you're interested in paintings, the Etsy link is below. Our paint mixing videos for paint pouring and for base coats are both below this video. The links are there. And resin, if you're looking to get the Stone Coat Art Coat resin or the countertop epoxy, we have a code below for $10 off a $95 order. Join us every Monday night at 9 p.m. right here on this channel. We do a nice live for a couple of hours, and we let you pick colors, and we do some fun pours, and we laugh a lot. It's a good time. So check that out Monday nights at 9. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye now.